On behalf of the Sangguniang Bayan staff, again, we would like to thank you for attending the State of the Sangguniang Bayan. So with that, La Trinidad, my home, my pride, thank you very much.
Mga resolusyon, adopted committee reports at mga ordinansa mula July 2022 ng nakaraang taon ang ipinagmalaki sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni La Trinidad Vice Mayor Roderick Awingan kasama ang mga miyembro ng Municipal Council sa katatapos na 5th La Trinidad Legislative Awareness Week celebration at State of Sangguniang Bayan address nitong December 14. Ilan sa mga ito ang pagkakaroon ng mandatory accreditation of vegetable stakeholders upang bigyang solusyon ang trade problem.
Not only the farmers, not only the traders, but again, this also includes the packers, the porters, and most importantly, the buyers coming from different localities in the entire Philippines. This is to make sure to protect the interests of our farmers.
Bilang tugon naman sa pangangalaga ng kultura, naaprubahan rin ang Cultural and Traditional Dances and Musical Instruments Preservation Ordinance.
This is to value our cultural belief so that in the municipality, this particular heritage and belief would stay on for eternity.
Binida rin ni Awingan ang pagkilalang kanilang natanggap bilang isang first-class municipality. Kabilang rito ang local legislative champion ng rehiyon at pagiging finalist sa national level. Nabanggit rin ito ang pagpapalawig ng kanilang partnership sa ibang munisipalidad kasama na ang ilang international partners para sa mas progresibong La Trinidad. Sa ilalim ng kanyang liderato, kanya ring binigyang tuon ang kahalagahan ng publiko sa pagpapatupad ng mga naturang ordinansa.
Because your suggestions, your opinions, your reactions is very important and critical for the enactment of those possible ordinances.
Adrian Mas, para sa Herald Express, Balita.